Hey guys, this is me, Tej. If you love coffee and coffee related content, please support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. Today, let's learn something different cold drip coffee. First, prepare your cold drip coffee set. Measure your coffee beans and grind them to a medium coarse size. Before adding the coffee grounds, place the metal filter and then a paper filter inside the dripper. Now, add the ground coffee and level it evenly. Next, assemble the dripper set. Fill the top chamber with cold water and ice cubes. Place the coffee chamber in the middle and the collection jar at the bottom. Now adjust the drip rate. The water should fall very slowly, around 2 to 3 drops per second. This slow extraction is what creates the smooth and sweet flavor of cold drip coffee. After about 20 to 30 minutes, you'll notice the first drops of rich coffee appearing in the collection jar. Let the process continue for another 2 to 2.5 hours until all the coffee is extracted. And there you have it, a clean, refreshing and naturally sweet cold drip coffee ready to enjoy. Coffee is not just a drink, it's a journey of patience and flavor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next coffee adventure. Stay caffeinated.